Title: Right turn signal at Bloor and Parkside Keele. Filming location: Bloor Street West at Keele Street in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Date recorded: May 25, 2024. In early 2021, a protected bike lane was added along Bloor Street West near High Park. Not only was it added, it also came with its own signals as well. The bicycle and right turn signals were added so no vehicles can turn on red on that signal. As you can see up top, I put in the countdown timer for when the right turn signal turns green. Now the right turn signal turns green, which is what the foreground in the count-up timer is. Unfortunately, the advanced green failed to activate on Keele Street, so nobody could turn onto Parkside Drive. A few minutes later. This time the right turn signal stays green and Keele Street gets advanced green. What do you think of the video? Please leave a comment down below and I'll get to you somehow. Be sure to give this video a like or dislike and or subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.